the name of Eric Cantona came in the discussion. I wanted to propose him to work with us for two reasons. First, of course, he's a well-known character, a really famous person. But the most important is he's an art collector, he's a designer, he's passionate in creation. And for me, it was really interesting to propose him to be involved in the design. And that's why he said yes for us, because we wanted really to be involved in the product and the creation. So that's why we find a way to work together in that collaboration. When we started to work, I invited him in Switzerland to visit the factories, to see the craftsmanship and everything. And I said to him, I will never say you no, but sometimes it will be complicated to realize your ideas, because he's really creative and he had some really complicated ideas. The idea he brought was linked to the symbol of the butterfly and the blue color that he loves. He always wears blue somewhere on his. He really likes the blue. And this is how we define this touch of Eric Cantona in a Haute-Lance watch. Sometimes it will be so complicated that we will have to create a dedicated movement for the ideas. But for this first product, for this particular idea, it was linked to the color and the symbol of the butterfly. I think we need to improve the brand awareness. And for that, having a really famous person, a really famous character, strong personality like Eric Cantona is really helpful for many reasons. If you remember, historically, Haute-Lance was just creating complicated watches, beautiful watches in really limited production, just for collectors in Singapore and Moscow. It was really focused on the market of top collectors. When you want to expand a bit and to be more visible, and even for a partnership relationship with the retailers, it makes sense to have more rotation, more volume. So you need more affordable product. And for that, you need to have an image, a clear image for the sales team. They can explain easily, this is Haute-Lance. So the journey was interesting, tough, of course. I will not hide you the truth, but so excited. And I'm really still excited to have a look back, because we started as friends, as a startup entrepreneur, just drinking a glass of wine and saying, why not creating our own brand? And finally we did it. The journey was difficult, specifically after 2009, when the big world economic crisis came, and it was really tough for the independent watchmakers. But when the creativity is there, when the passion is there, and when you have a team like I have a chance to have, continuing to work with passion and dedicated to the brand, it's been tough, but we found solutions. And the main solution we found was the arrival in the shareholder, the ownership, when we changed it with the Meylan family. And Mr. Meylan is a really gentleman. He understood what was the weakness of Haute-Lance, specifically the product price point. So we first worked on that, and that's why we do the story can continue. Yes, sure. This is the HL05 for me. This is the iconic piece still today. Today I'm wearing the Invictus because we are here to promote the novelties. But when I'm in Neuchâtel in Switzerland, I always wear the HL05. Those ones have been sold out, except the one we keep for the museum of Haute-Lance. And it was the first HL series with this connecting rod system. It's becoming the icon of that kind of industry and horology. We continue to be creative and develop interesting novelties in the first DNA, but we reinforce. So it's continuation and reinforce. We reinforce the product base with the Invictus chronograph. We have launched Morphos Invictus in December, and in Basel we have presented 2 new references of Invictus chronograph. So for us, it's really important to establish a more, let's say, complete portfolio of products. I was living in Neuchâtel since I was working for Tag Heuer. And I said, okay, we can create a brand using the name of an old watchmaker died 200 years ago, but it makes no sense for me. We are a contemporary brand. We are making the watches with all the talents around Neuchâtel. So let's mix the letter to give them the homage, to put them in front of the scene.